If you love cooking eggs, you know that sometimes it can be difficult to get them just right. Overcooked or undercooked eggs can be really disappointing, but this perfect egg timer can really help you ensure that your eggs are cooked to perfection every time exactly as you want them. This simple yet effective device is designed to help you cook your eggs to a desired level of doneness. Whether you like them soft-boiled or medium-boiled or hard-boiled, simply place this egg timer into the pot with your eggs and just let it do the rest. The timer will change color to indicate when your eggs are ready, taking the guesswork out of cooking eggs. One of the great things about this egg timer is its simplicity. It doesn't require any complicated programming or any setup. It's so easy to use even if you're not an experienced cook. Overall, this egg timer is a great tool for anyone who loves cooking eggs. It's simple, it's effective, it's easy to use, making it a must-have for any kitchen. With this egg timer, you can cook perfect eggs every time. We recommend this.